Collar Valley Cooks, and today I'm going to show y'all how I do my tea. Joanne Richardson was wanting to know how I do it because she has the same tea jug that I do, and so I'm going to show y'all how I do it. I have been using the microwave lately to do my tea, and it sure has been easy, and I can't remember exactly. I think it might have been Linda that told me how to do it. I put 3 family tea bags in my batter bowl, and then I fill it up to about 6 cups worth of water, and then I put it in the microwave, and I microwave it for about I think about 8.5 to 9 minutes is usually how long I go. Now I have a lid for this pot, but if you don't have a lid, it's fine. It works anyway. Okay, so we're going to put a lid on it, and then we're going to place it in the microwave. And I did this, somebody told me how to do this. Anyway, the reason I like doing my tea this way is because I'm the world's worst to be boiling tea and forget about it. If you do it this way, then the microwave goes off, and it doesn't matter if you forget about it. So I put it on microwave high, and I put it on about 8.5 minutes, and I press the start button, and then it boils it just enough for it to be good to me. And then I'm going to show y'all how much sugar I put in it, and then we're going to start putting up some tomatoes today. So I'm going to take my tea jug now. This is the tea jug that I have, and Joanne says she has one, and it holds about, it says 3 liters. I don't think it's quite a gallon, but it may be. I don't really know for sure. So I'm just going to show y'all how much sugar I put in my tea. We don't drink a whole lot of sugar in our tea like we used to. And I'm going to use this funnel, and we'll be using the same funnel today to do our tomatoes, okay? So this is going to be, how much sugar? I usually do a 1/2 cup, and then about another 1/4 of a cup. So about 3/4 cups of sugar is about what we drink. And of course you can add more if you like more, but you know, we just drink it all the time, so we don't want to be drinking too much sugar. See, this tea is boiling. So we're going to let it sit here, and I always let it cool off a minute. Don't get burnt. But I always let it cool off a minute before I actually pour it into the tea jug. Watch it. They're going to think, what in the world? So I pour my tea into my jug. But using the microwave is just so convenient, y'all, because I really do forget about my tea a lot. You rinse that off because we're going to use it later with our tomatoes. And then we're just going to add our water to it. And then I shake it up, put it in the very back of the refrigerator. Remember that the back of your refrigerator is the coldest part in it. So if you have meat or you have something you want to get cold quicker, then move everything from the back and slide it to the back of the refrigerator, and it's going to get cold a lot faster, okay? Matter of fact, I had my tea sitting in the back of my refrigerator for a couple of days, and it was actually freezing. So if you put it right up against the back, it's amazing how good it does, okay? Joanne Richardson, this one was for you. You asked for it yesterday, so you got it, okay? We're going to shake the sugar into the tea real good. It's nice and warm. And we're going to put it in the very back of the refrigerator. That's my tea recipe, okay? So if you have this jug, this is how I do it. Oh, y'all can't see the back of my fridge from there. Y'all just won't get to see the back of the fridge, probably. But you can see my refrigerator. So what I do is I just slide everything. Slide it to the very back, okay? And you do your meat the same way if you got meat that you want to last for a while.